let me show you how to get the perfect measurement for your machine belt or the machine rope using an elastic, and this is 1/2 inch elastic. So for this elastic I have 30 inches. Okay, that's what you need for this rope. But then let me show you some calculation that you need to do to get a perfect one. So this is 30 inches, but I'm going to set this one aside and then use this longer one. So for the longer one I have 34 inches. Okay, I have to cut this 34 inches because I want to have enough elastic to pass through both sides. Okay, so if you're alone you should be able to do this without an assistance from anybody. So this is 34 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure 1.5 inches on this side. Okay, follow me. 1.5 inches. All you need is 30 inches. Okay, measure 1.5 inches on one side, then go ahead and measure 4 inches on the other side first. 4 inches, and after that you're going to measure 1.5 inches again. A lot of people I've made a video before on this, and some people said it is not too firm, it's falling off. So that's why I'm doing this calculation for you. So after measuring 4 inches, go ahead and measure 1.5 inches again. So on this side you're just measuring 1.5 inches. So go ahead and put it on the wheel like this. So with this measurement you should be able to have enough that will go round that part, okay, conveniently without any assistance. You'll be able to pull it down by yourself. So once you're done, go ahead and just pass it. So once you're done passing, now grab the side that has 1.5, hold it, and then the other side, I marked 4 inches first, and then I marked 1.5. So you're going to grab the 1.5 on the other side and also pick the 1.5 on the other side and then create a knot. Now leave the 4 inches we first mark. The reason we added that 4 inches is to be able to pass it easily, conveniently, without any assistance. Okay, so you have something long enough to pass. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and create a knot on that point where you have 1.5 inches on both sides. Skip the 4 inches that you first mark. Create the knot on that point of 1.5 inches on both sides, and then pull it very well. Make sure it is very firm and tight, okay, like what I have here. So once you're done, you're now going to pull it and make sure it enter into the wheel. Please take your time. You are the only one doing this. You are doing it by yourself, so you have to take your time and pull it in. Okay, if you have someone assisting you, it will be faster. Okay, so with this method you should be able to pull it by yourself. Okay, so once you're done, so this is the extra 4 inches we added earlier. So I'm going to go ahead now and cut it out. After cutting it out, we'll be left with 1.5 inches, the extra 1.5 inches we marked on both sides. So this is it. Now you're going to also go ahead and reduce it by 0.75. okay, just reduce it so that it's not too long. Okay, now reduce it. Once you're done reducing it, this is what we have. Now we're going to try it here and see how firm it is. So I'm going to be using it now to show you that it is very firm. Is not falling off at all. Very firm, very firm. This is a perfect measurement for it. I had to do this calculation very well. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow for more also, and drop a beautiful comment. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.